I'm Yuto. Today on Statue I'm going to show you how to make Taiwan Mazesoba, a spicy brothless ramen that actually comes from Nagoya in central Japan. Let's get straight to it. Start by heating a pan on low and adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 thinly sliced red chili, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and half a tablespoon of grated garlic. Mix those together and gently heat until fragrant. Once you can smell the aromas, increase the heat to medium and add 150 grams of ground pork. Stir fry until the meat is lightly browned. Okay, that's looking good. So now we're going to add 50 milliliters of dashi stock, 1.5 tablespoon of sake, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Chinese chili bean paste called tobanjan, a sprinkling of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a pinch of Japanese sansho pepper. Mix everything together and simmer for about 5 minutes or until liquid has evaporated. Taiwan Mazesoba is a dish that was created by accident using leftover ingredients from Taiwan Ramen. I also have a recipe for Taiwan Ramen on my channel if you're interested. Anyway, while we're waiting for the mince, let's start cooking the noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add the noodles. I'm just gonna check on the mince. As you can see, the liquid has pretty much disappeared. So I'll just turn off the heat and leave it on the stove to keep it warm until it's time to serve. Next, we're going to make a simple sauce called tare. So take each bowl and add half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a quick mix. It doesn't matter if the stock powder isn't dissolved because the hot noodles are gonna take care of that. I've drained my noodles, so I'm just gonna place them on top of tare. Next, we're going to add the toppings. So first, place the seasoned mince in the middle. We'll try to keep it flat and make a little dent in the center like this. I'll show you why later. Then we have some chopped garlic chives, which are another typical ingredient for Taiwan ramen. Then some shredded nori seaweed. Now I'm adding some bonito flakes, which add a smoky, slightly fishy flavor that is packed with umami. Next are some chopped green onions and tempura flakes for some added crunch. Add a pinch of chili threads and then place the yolk of a pasteurized egg in the center. You can see why I made that dent earlier. And that's it, spicy and flavorful Nagoya style Taiwan Mazesoba. Now before you dig in, make sure you mix it thoroughly so that the noodles are coated in the tare and all the ingredients are well distributed. I know it ruins the presentation, but you need to mix well to fully enjoy this dish. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Taiwan Mazesoba, there are full written recipes on my blog, the link's in the description. Thanks again, have a great day.